Easter is the perfect time to refresh your home with soft colors, natural textures, and charming rustic details. In this video, we're exploring easy rustic Easter decor ideas that will transform your space into a warm and beautiful spring retreat. Rustic style celebrates simplicity, nature, and timeless character. By combining vintage-inspired pieces with natural materials, you can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that perfectly reflects the joy and renewal of the Easter season. A beautiful rustic Easter home begins with a gentle spring color palette. Think soft whites, warm creams, dusty pastels, sage greens, and muted blush tones. These colors feel natural and calming, which is the essence of rustic design. Use neutral linens, pastel ceramics, and subtle floral accents to create a harmonious look. This soft palette allows every decorative detail to feel balanced, relaxed, and welcoming throughout your home. Wood is one of the most important elements in rustic decor. For Easter styling, incorporate wooden trays, cutting boards, crates, or small wooden signs. These pieces bring warmth and texture into your space. A wooden tray on a coffee table or kitchen counter can hold candles, small bunny figures, or decorative eggs. The natural grain and imperfections of wood give the decor an authentic rustic charm. A simple centerpiece can instantly transform your dining table. Start with a wooden box, vintage bowl, or rustic tray as the base. Fill it with moss, pastel eggs, and a few small bunny figurines. Add a mason jar with fresh spring flowers like tulips or daisies for height and freshness. This kind of centerpiece feels effortless yet beautiful, perfectly capturing the relaxed elegance of rustic Easter styling. Vintage baskets are a wonderful way to decorate for Easter. Their woven texture adds warmth and authenticity to rustic interiors. You can fill them with decorative eggs, faux grass, or soft linen cloths. Place baskets on entry tables, shelves, or kitchen counters. They bring a charming farmhouse touch and also create a cozy, collected look that feels natural and timeless. No Easter decor is complete without adorable bunny accents. In rustic design, choose bunny decorations made from wood, ceramic, or distressed metal. Neutral-toned bunny figures blend beautifully with farmhouse and vintage styles. Place them on shelves, coffee tables, or sideboards. When combined with natural textures and soft colors, these small bunny accents instantly create a festive yet elegant Easter atmosphere. Instead of bright, colorful eggs, rustic decor often uses neutral or softly toned Easter eggs. Look for eggs in shades of white, beige, pale pink, or sage green. You can display them in wooden bowls, glass jars, or small nests made from twigs. These understated colors feel sophisticated while still celebrating the joyful spirit of Easter. Mason jars are a classic rustic decorating piece and work beautifully for Easter. Fill them with fresh flowers like tulips, baby's breath, or wildflowers. Tie a piece of twine or lace ribbon around the jar for extra charm. Place them on kitchen counters, dining tables, or windowsills. These simple arrangements bring life and freshness into your home. Shelves are perfect for layering seasonal decorations. Start with a neutral base like books, wooden frames, or small crates. Then add Easter-themed accents such as bunny figurines, mini nests, or pastel eggs. Mixing heights and textures creates a visually interesting display. This layered approach gives your shelf a curated rustic look that feels cozy and intentional. Rustic homes often highlight natural fabrics like linen, cotton, and burlap. For Easter, switch out heavier winter textiles with lighter linen runners, soft pillow covers, or tablecloths. These materials add texture while keeping the space light and breathable. Natural fabrics also complement wooden decor and soft spring colors beautifully. Greenery is one of the easiest ways to bring life into rustic Easter decor. Use eucalyptus, olive branches, or faux greenery garlands. Drape them across a mantle, wrap them around a centerpiece, or place them along a dining table runner. Greenery adds movement, freshness, and a natural touch that makes the whole space feel connected to the season. Your entryway sets the tone for the entire home. Decorate an entry table with a small wooden tray, a vase of spring flowers, and a bunny figure. Add a woven basket underneath the table filled with blankets or greenery. This welcoming arrangement creates a cozy first impression that immediately introduces your rustic Easter theme. Rustic decor shines when you mix old and new elements. Antique pictures, vintage frames, and weathered trays can all become beautiful Easter decor pieces. Fill an antique pitcher with fresh flowers or display eggs in an old wooden bowl. These vintage touches add character and tell a story within your decor. If you have a fireplace mantle, it's the perfect place to showcase Easter decor. Layer a greenery garland along the mantle and add small bunny figurines, candles, and wooden signs. Mixing different heights and textures creates a balanced display. The mantle becomes a seasonal focal point that brings warmth and charm to the living room. A rustic Easter wreath adds beauty to both indoor and outdoor spaces. Choose wreaths made with twigs, greenery, or dried flowers. Some wreaths include small nests or pastel eggs for a subtle Easter touch. Hang one on your front door or above a console table to instantly create a welcoming seasonal accent. Glass cloches are a wonderful way to highlight small Easter decorations. Place a nest with eggs, a tiny bunny figure, or moss under the glass dome. The cloche creates a delicate, curated display that feels elegant yet rustic. These pieces work beautifully on coffee tables, shelves, or dining buffets. Rustic decor thrives on texture. Combine wood, metal, linen, wicker, and ceramic elements to create visual interest. For example, Place ceramic eggs inside a woven basket or display wooden bunnies beside glass jars. These layered textures make the decor feel rich and cozy without being overwhelming. One of the secrets to beautiful rustic decor is simplicity. Instead of filling every corner with decorations, choose a few meaningful pieces and style them thoughtfully. A simple tray with candles and eggs can feel more elegant than an overcrowded display. This balanced approach keeps the home calm, inviting, and visually pleasing. Rustic Easter decor is not only about decorations but also about creating a feeling. Soft lighting from candles, fresh flowers, and natural textures help create a peaceful spring environment. The goal is to make your home feel warm, relaxed, and welcoming for family gatherings and Easter celebrations. Decorating your home for Easter doesn't have to be complicated. With simple rustic elements like wood, baskets, greenery, and soft spring colors, you can create a beautiful and cozy atmosphere. These easy rustic Easter decor ideas bring together vintage charm and natural beauty, helping your home feel fresh, warm, and ready to celebrate the joy of the spring season.